If you're an egg lover and if you want to try a lovely egg recipe, then I would definitely recommend you trying this egg rasa recipe. It is packed with flavor. Come on, let's make it. Now in a pan, you need to add in oil. Once you add in oil, let's add in Kashmiri chili powder, and then I'm adding in some turmeric powder, and then I'll be adding in a little bit of salt. And once you add salt, what you need to do is fry this basic masalas in the very low flame in the oil. Just see to that the masalas are really very well roasted. Once a masala is roasted, drop in your boiled eggs, and once you drop in or boiled eggs, roast or fry the boiled eggs in this masala really very well till it's golden, crispy and beautifully roasted, because this gives a nice flavor to our egg rasa, because our egg is nicely roasted. Now the egg is roasted, I've kept it aside. Now to the same pan, I've added in onions, green chilies, grated coconut, tomatoes, and fry it or toss it really very well, because we need to later make a masala out of this veggies. Now I've forgotten to add garlic. Please do add garlic as well. Now at last, switch off the gas, add in coriander leaves, toss it really very well and let it cool down. Then transfer it to a blender. See, now I've added in garlic and blend it into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now in another pan, add in oil, then add in cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, at this stage add in the masala paste which we made previously. Just be careful, it will try to splutter. Just keep it on low flame and then you'd start mixing it. Now toss the masalas really very well with the oil and cumin seeds. The gravy needs to cook really very well, so you need to mix it or toss it really very well till the raw smell goes. So mix it. Now at this stage I'm adding in some salt to taste. Next I'll be adding in some turmeric powder. I'll be adding in some Kashmiri chili powder and garam masala. That's it, basic spices from our kitchen shelf. Once you add all this, mix it really very well. Now this gravy needs to be mixed till the raw smell goes and the oil separates. That is when the flavor of the egg rasa will enhance. Now our gravy has been beautifully tossed and the oil has been separated. As I said, the gravy needs to fry really very well. That is when the flavor of our egg rasa comes out. Now this gravy goes really very well with rice, naan, chapati, perfect for your lunch, dinner and tiffin recipes as well. Now I'm dropping the roasted egg which I added roasted previously. Now there's a little bit of oil which is remaining, so I'm just adding it on top of it. And then once you add you've added the egg to the gravy, coat the egg really very well with all these spices, and then add in water as per your consistency, because this is called rasa. Rasa means thin gravy, so you can adjust the water consistency or the consistency of the gravy based on your preference. If you like it thick, keep it thick or thin. Now the gravy is beautifully boiling. At this stage I'm adding in crushed kasuri methi, and then I'll be adding in, garnishing it with some fresh coriander leaves, and your super tasty egg rasa is ready. You can have it with hot rice, naan, chapati. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback. As I always say, enjoy your food. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.